So there's a helicopter flying right there, and it is not really above the 400 feet ceiling, and I don't think it's landing. I want to see, it just flew right over my head. So again, I'll tell you that in the country I'm in, they're breaking all the rules. They're flying way too low. So that's why there are probably no regulations for the drones. I want to see if it comes back. Or maybe it's landing over there somewhere. It's flying only about 20 meters above ground. Just above the tree line. Check that out. Is it gonna land in the field? I don't know. Maybe. Yeah, I think it's landing in the field. I hope it's not an emergency landing. Well, it's definitely powering down. I can hear it now. I have no clue what the helicopter is doing over here. There's definitely no landing strip, no landing spot, no airport anywhere near here. It's just a village. So the only thing I can think of is an emergency landing. But really no clue. So what do you think? I should head over there and check it out, see what's going on? Because I literally was flying the drone like 5 minutes earlier. And luckily I landed it before this helicopter got here. So no clue what's going on. We'll see. There were definitely people in there. I think it's just like scenery trips helicopter, not sure. But yeah, no clue. Okay, so I'm recording the screen now. And really curious about this helicopter. That's the cool thing about the Mavic Mini. You can bring it with you anywhere. And you can record pretty much anything. Really no clue if this was an emergency landing or whatnot. What's going on with it. But not often you can record a helicopter from the air. No clue what's up with this helicopter. It's beautiful though. I think it's a private helicopter. It's way too expensive. Who needs quick shot modes when you can do this manually? I think they're building something here or planning to build something here. Well, I'm out. I'm gonna fly back. But that's cool. That was fun. No people in or, well, no people around it. Or maybe people in it. Time to descend. Hopefully not run into any poles. Or power lines. Still no clue what's up with that helicopter. But as people say, you know, well, it's time to get the F out of here because I really don't want to get into it. Especially if it's a private helicopter. Private helicopter means private security. They may ask for my video. They may ask for my drone. They may do whatever the F they want to do. So I'm just getting the F out of Dodge. My car doesn't have any local plates on it, so I highly doubt they even saw my plates. So we'll see. Oh, it's really shaky. So thank you guys for watching. See you guys later.